3D printers have been used to make all kinds of amazing objects, like prosthetic limbs for children, actual biological tissue, working bicycles, and they've even been used by astronauts to print objects in space. So for all you Harry Potter fans out there, we're now going to show you how you can create a Harry Potter set of glasses for yourself on a 3D printer using plastic. The first step in the series is to take the digital file of this object and examine it for errors. Once you have a correct file, we can move to the next stage, which is to actually decide the print settings for this object, the speed of the print nozzle, the temperature that you will melt the plastic to before printing, and many other similar details. Once you've worked out this set of settings, you feed this into the computer and then hit print. During printing, the 3D printer will tell you how much of your print is complete by giving you a percentage and estimating how much time is left to complete the print. This technology is being used by people in a very wide range of sectors, including product design, architecture, aerospace engineering, jewelry design, automotive engineering, and defense. If you have an object that's quite high in its vertical dimension, this means that the printer will have to make a large number of horizontal layers, each one above the other, while making your print. This will increase the print time. Typically, print time varies from about 15 minutes to 10 hours. The most common materials for 3D printing are plastics such as PLA, ABS, and nylon. But you also get printing technology these days that can make objects from ceramic or metal powders and convert them into actual metal or ceramic objects. With this technology, manufacturers can customize every single product to your own specification. For example, if you're ordering a car, you could order the car in one of many different body shapes listed on the manufacturer's website, or perhaps even in a shape that you have designed. Let's look at this phone and see if we can create a new cover for it instantly right in this office. While printing, you have to be careful that the geometry of your object is clean and that your print is not shifting during the print. You have to keep it anchored and firmly stuck to the build plate. In addition, you have to ensure that any cantilevers or projections from the print are handled correctly by the printer. It's the speed and ease with which you can create these physical models of your ideas and products that actually transform the whole design process. Printers at the moment are available in the price range of say 50,000 to 2 or 3 lakhs for the most basic technology, which is called FDM or Fused Deposition Modeling Technology. The next other more expensive technologies are SLA and SLS printers, which can range from 3 to 6 or 7 lakhs each. While the market in India is just starting to take baby steps, we feel that in 2015-16 the market is really going to explode and affect all of us in ways that we never imagined.